In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily summarize a YouTube video using AI. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and find a video to summarize. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and summarize this video about American history. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on the description and you want to select on more. Then scroll all the way down until you see this blue option over here that says show transcript. So press on that like so, and then it is going to show you all of the different words used throughout the video. So all we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and copy this entire thing just like so. And the transcripts are honestly getting pretty advanced. Not only do they say what words are being used, but they also tell you when there is music and when there's certain pauses and stuff like that. So all we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and just press on copy. Then all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and open up your favorite AI. This could be ChatGPT or DeepSeek. So again, this is completely up to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and use DeepSeek for this video. Okay, so here we are in DeepSeek. And now I'm just going to say summarize this YouTube video for me. And make sure you go ahead and write the following phrase or something along these lines. This is the full transcript of the YouTube video. Okay, then you want to go ahead and just paste in the transcript that you did just copy. So yeah, here is the transcript with all the different timestamps. And you should also mention that the timestamps are included. All right, once you're done with that, go ahead and just press on enter. And now your AI should begin summarizing the YouTube video. As you're able to tell, yep, here it is, guys. Or you guys can go ahead and just regenerate and stuff like that. And as you're able to tell, it is now going to go ahead and summarize the video. And you can go ahead and ask it for a more in-depth analysis of the video. Maybe you want to look for certain themes. You can definitely ask the AI to do that kind of stuff for you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.